Good morning everyone. Today I am here to give you the answers for class 5 chapter 1 general science. I want the students to open page number 16. You have exercise here. Let us recall the true false exercise. Here it goes. Circulatory system transports nutrients to the cells. True. Heart and blood are the only parts of circulatory system. False. Number 3. Blood is carried to different parts of the body through veins. False. Capillaries are thick blood vessels. False. Now you can come to page number 19, memorize and answer. Take the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following organs pumps blood? The answer will be heart. Number 2. Auricles and ventricles are heart chambers. Bit number C, heart chambers. Number 3. Plasma is a liquid. Number 4. We can feel the pressure of movement of blood through the artery. Moving on next to fill in the blanks with correct word. Number 1. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to the body parts. Number 2. The circulatory system regulates the body temperature. Number 3. Platelets prevent clotting of blood. You can turn the page now. Can continue with number 4. Pulse rate is counted using instrument called stethoscope. Number 5. Hemoglobin is the red colored pigment found in blood. Your answers for fill in the blanks. Coming to the question answers, answer the following questions. Number 1. What are the different parts of human circulatory system? There are 3 different parts: heart, blood and blood vessels. I repeat, heart, blood and blood vessels. Question number 2. Name 3 types of blood vessels and describe their features. You can come to page number 15. The 3 types of blood vessels are arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries are the thick walled blood vessels which carry blood from the heart to all the parts of the body. Point number 1. Point number 2. They carry pure or oxygenated blood. Second part, veins. Veins are the thin walled blood vessels which carry blood back to the heart. Point number 1. They bring back the impure blood. Point number 2. The last one is capillaries. Capillaries are very thin blood vessels. Forms the connection between the arteries and the veins. You can observe clearly. Arteries, veins, capillaries. Continuing with question number 3. Write functions of the following. Number A. WBCs. For the WBC answer, you can come to page number 15. Question number 3A, page number 15. They play an important role in fighting infection and destroy germs. WBC. They play an important role in fighting infection and destroy germs. For question number 3, bit B and bit C, functions of the following: bit B, blood; bit C, blood vessels. I want you to clearly observe the answer from the slide. Question number 3, bit B, function of blood. The blood carries oxygen, nutrients and waste that need to move around the body. Question number 3C, 3, bit C, blood vessels. The main function of blood vessel is to carry blood through the body. Point number 2, the most important types, arteries and veins, carry blood away from or towards the heart respectively. You can continue with question number 4. Describe the structure of the heart. You can move to page number 14. Here we are in page number 14. The heart is built like a double-story house, 2 chambers each story. Lower side, right and left ventricles; upper side, left and the right ventricles. And this diagram you may copy down in your notebook. You may practice the diagram in your notebook. Continuing with question number 5, discuss circulation of blood in human heart. I want you to clearly observe question number 5. The answer: circulation of blood stepwise. Number 1, your aorta pumps oxygenated blood out of your heart to the body. 2, deoxygenated blood returns to your heart to your right atrium. 3, the right atrium pumps it to the right ventricle. 4, your right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs to pick up oxygen. 5, the deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated. 6, oxygenated blood leaves the lungs and returns to the heart and enters the left atrium. Number 7, the left atrium pumps blood to the left ventricle and then it is pumped to the aorta to do the same thing all over again. You can clearly observe the slide and copy down. We can continue with question number 6. Write 3 ways to keep heart healthy and strong. You can move to page 17. Here in page number 17, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. You can write any 3 from these 5 points. Moving on next to give reasons for the following. Number 1, heart is called a living pump. You can go to page number 14. Page number 14, the first paragraph above. The heart is an important organ of the body. It pumps blood which is circulated throughout our body by the blood vessels. Question number D2, the blood flow stops after some time when we get injured. You can move to page number 15. Page number 15, the platelets. help in clotting of blood whenever there is an injury. Thus, they prevent loss of blood from the body. Question number D, 2. Give reasons number 2. Relate and match the four columns. Number 1, heart, the living pump, circulatory system, transport system, arteries and veins, carriers of blood, red blood cells, carrier of oxygen, white blood cells produce antibodies.